Flu cases are climbing in South Dakota. Last week, the Department of Health reported 350 new cases, 14 hospitalizations, no deaths. As of Christmas Eve, that number jumped to more than 900 cases and 37 hospitalizations, and still no flu-related deaths have been reported, thankfully. Activity is now considered moderate, with Hutchinson, Hockin, Walworth, and Beadle counties seeing the most cases. Health officials urge hand washing, staying home if you're sick, and flu vaccinations to help slow the